Hi, I'm John with Dyke Industries. Today we're going to talk about the tools needed for an exterior entry door installation. First off, the short level, very crucial to have. Make sure your sill threshold is perfectly level every time. A long level, this is a 78-inch level. Minimum, you'll want a 6-foot level. You can do it with a 4-foot level, but I don't recommend it. You'll want an impact drill with the appropriate bit for the type of screw that you're using. I recommend an exterior rated screw. This is a 2.5-inch exterior rated screw. Also a drill driver with a bit for pre-drilling. This is a countersink bit. Very much recommended. That way you don't split your jamb ever. Don't run that risk. You don't want to do that. Tape measure. Definitely always want to have a tape measure. Screwdriver, just for the slightest of adjustments. Tightening up hardware, a knife, cut shims, cut back drywall, just to clean up your opening. A flat pry bar. These are very handy also to clean your opening, remove old caulk if you're doing a replacement, put in behind your jamb to move it this way a little bit, that way a little bit. A speed square to ensure that your door is square at the corners. This helps out sometimes. A hammer to tap in a shim here or there. Small things like that. Also, you will want flex tape to tape your sill. This is very crucial. Don't miss this step. And then also caulk to go on top of that. And also caulk the entire perimeter behind the brick mold here. And those are the tools that you will need for your exterior entry door installation.
For additional resources and planning tools, be sure to check out the Dyke Edge Door Configurator at dykedoors.com.